Really? Pangit, pangit. Sub, sub. Yo, sub, sub.
Wala na. Actually, wala na. Siguro. Ha? Ito yung rice ito? Ate. Ha? Ito na lang. So, ito pa sila. So, okay. So, what do you want? Pili ka na. Dali, I'm open. Bye now.
Gusto mo yung isang mga
Yeah.
pag nakasettle ka, saka mo na lang yan. Pabayaran. Hindi gusto mo lang.
Pero hindi. Tatanungin ko rin kung sino. Guardian niya. Kaya nga eh. Okay. Ask me to Charo. Kasi ko mamaya, minsan nagalit ang nanay. Did Tita Chara said yes? Just that? Just okay? Nothing to do. Just that?
Wakey, wakey.
Meron pa kayo pansit canton.
Let's go, go!
Saan? Oy, parang siyang, gusto, ang tawag na? Hindi ang sumay. Parang, kumaya. Pero parang, kasi kumaya. Ayoko mo. Basta. O, sige, sinakon sa Oh, yeah, totoo. Kaya kasing gawin sa bahay. Hindi ako marunong, pero lagi ko ginagawa sa
Siyalik ka sa
Kunin mo na, baka makalimutan pa.
After.
Gusto tumagawa mo isa? Baliw. Nato ko na. At ano yung choco ba? Choco. Ito yung $1.
So,
Thank you. Mukhang masarap yan.
Drink water or
Ayan na, ano? Ang mga announcer mo, ang TV. Naku, dali na kasi boring daw, boring. Wala na eh. Walang may buhay yung
may upuan na lang para sa inyo.
Doon! Ano ka na doon mo?
Yung isa.
Dribble ball, sebelah bola. Number 2, dribble ball. Pasal number 2 Number 3, dribble ball. Dribble ball, number 3. Tiga na atrás. Bang! Dribble ball. Number 8, dribble ball. Nasa may number 8. Wala. Tapayo. Kapelik, sasalaksak. Uli. Number 2, dribble ball. Dribble ball. Pasu number 8. Spiral track. Wala. Tapayo. Pasa kay Felix. Wala. Outside. Number 9, dribble ball. Pasu number 8. Number 2, dribble ball. Let's start there. Papasok kay Zero. Titira. Wala. Asa ba? Vincent, let's start there. Nanginang pin.
Eh,
Ang layo ng tira. Wala. Pass to number 8. Numero 3, wala. Teacher, number 3, number 4. Pass to the final. Pass to Felix. Nasa laksan, wala. Nasa kay Barry. Nasa kay Takwayo. Numero 3. Pakayan. Number 1, number 4. Numero 3. Number 3. Number 3. Just by number 2, passing number 8. Number 8, double ball. Triple ball, number 3. Pass to number 3. Shot to number 8, triple ball. Sakot. Baru. Number 25. Good. Nice shot. Number 8. That's to number 2. Number 8, number 21. Takwayo, 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 number 8, number 8, Grabe! Violation. Substitution, ref.
Sino sila din kuya? Ha?
Good violation. Number 2, dribble ball. Pass to Felix. Wala.
I saw you yesterday with your car.
Number 2, dribble ball. Inside. No good. Zero. No good. Zero. Three points for good. Rebound again. That ball is there. Number 3, dribble the ball. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 2. No good. Pass to number 8. What a shot. Number 3, dribble the ball. Number 3, it is started. Number 3, number 8. Dribble the ball. Number 8, pass to number 3. Tagalak sa Bago. Ibabay sa ro. Good again. Nice rebound. Pass to number 8, pass to number 8, pass to number 8 again. Line ball. Dribble the ball. Number 2, dribble the ball. Number 11. Back to number 3. Number 11, 3. No good. Number 8, pass to number 2. Number 8, pass to number 8. Go for it. Number good. Zero. Zero. Pass to number 8. Sudah na 3.
So, pare-pareho na kayo.
Mr. MVP, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11. Pass to Tapayo. Pass to number 8. Number 8, sudah na 3. Wala. Lalu. Ball. Number 3. Good ball. Go good. Number 11. Good ball. Number 11. Good ball. Number 3. Pass to number 21. Go to number 3. Wala! Nice rebound. Pass to number 11. Nice. Number 3. Good balls. Zero. Number 13. No good. Number 8, good ball. Number 3. Foul, number 25. Play ball. Number 8. Pass to number 8, back to back. Still again. Number 8, give me ball. Number 8, give the ball. Foul. Number 0, foul. Belly. Graduate Felix. Good. Let's get this down. Second row. Nothing but net. Number 21, two on the ball. Tingnan na tres. No good. Felix.
Eh!
Hey, nagkamali pa bata kayo ng pasok? Let's play the ball game. To the ball game. Great ball. Time out, time out. Back to the table. Number 8, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Sumira. Good. Number 3, dribble the ball. Nice play. Oh, one steal. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 3 points. Number 3, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21. Still again. Number 8, dribble the ball. Make shot 3. No good. Number 21, dribble the ball. Number 21, Dr. Ayo. Pass to number 11. Salaksak, number 11, no good. Number 2, pass to number 8. Number 8, good. Number 3, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Serena. 3 points. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 8 again. No good. Zero. Sasalak sa Felix. Foul. Who's covered? Number 8. Dalawa silang 8 eh. Nice, Felix! Number 8, dribble the ball. Number 3, Starte. Nasa.
So, ikaw.
Sabi.
Kasama ka na sa committee dito.
Ang ina, nandun ka na. Hanggang dito, ikaw rin yung ano.
Sabi na ako.
Scorer.
Ah, wala.
Number 13, All personal foul.
Narado nila.
Dribble the ball. Starte. Nasa.
What do you want?
Good. Ball.
You have snack in your backpack. You want Stico? You want Stico? Meron siyang snack sa backpack.
Dribble the ball.
Boy, oras! Oras!
No good.
Nanonood.
Boy, mag-isang oras na!
2 minutes na lang dapat.
First free throw. No good.
Dati naka-open yan eh. Maglalaro yung mga bata.
Oh, oh, yeah. Siyempre, ngayon, kasi kasama natin si Mateo, kaya
No
nakasarap.
good.
Wait lang ba?
What do you want?
Number 3,
Here,
dribble the ball.
okay. iPad.
Dribble the ball. Nasa lagsa.
Here, okay.
Nakaangat siya eh.
Number 12, ang mo.
Sabi niya kay Carl kanina, pag laruin mo ako, hindi kita picturean.
Dribble the ball. Zero. Good. One. Number 3, dribble
Wala
the
si Neblek.
ball.
Wala. Tumama tayo.
Uy, grabe ko.
Joke lang.
Kryptonite pala.
Sumalaksa. Wala mo.
What do you want? What do you want? Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Ay, bibiling ka niya.
Tayo?
Tell me what you want.
Dribble the ball. Shot. No good.
Ano tayo?
Odad. Bigyan na go to the stand.
Number 3, dribble the ball.
Wait lang tayo.
Dribble the ball. This is Dante.
Sabi mo ako.
Number 11.
Ken.
Substitution rep.
Ano na yung bolo?
Westbrook out. 25-8. Westbrook, kailangan
Ito
na.
mo na lang yung kay Fritz. Fritz, oh. Huwag ka mo.
Putang ina.
Dribble the ball. Number 8. Pass to number 8.
Kuhanin mo na.
Baka mo mo lang madamay tao.
Wala siya.
Paano mawawala?
Kailangan
Kayo.
Dadalo ko pa yung bag ni Rose.
Time out.
Nag-uusap pa tayo, narinig ko tayo dito. Ano si Coach?
May pogi.
Shout out! Shout out! Ina mo! Ano?
Sa mga nagpupuntos na.
Ano ah?
ibalik. Bakit ganito?
Back to the ball game.
Luntas.
Kailangan pala hawak-hawak mo yan.
Wala ko. Ano na to? Hawakan lang.
Dapat
Yes.
steady. Naka-zoom out.
Naka-zoom ba?
Zoom out mo. I-zoom mo mata si ano.
Back to the ball game.
Yan, keep.
Harap. Ba't ang lapit na? What the fuck?
Number 13.
Ang lapit na paano na to?
I-zoom mo nga. Wala, hindi ko di alam.
Number 8, football. Pass to number 3. Back to number 8. Number 8.
Ay, malaman naman na malayo naman.
Hindi kayo.
Number 25.
Malapit siya yung wala ka.
Okay na yan, huwag kang maingay.
Si Ellen po. Ellen Manuel.
Pass to number 31. Go good. Number 8.
Ito na yung ano.
Football. Number 8. Number 8. Football. Nasa laksa.